Focus friendly.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Mugdha.
Mr. Mugdha. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Okay, please, I want to know about something about traveling.
Traveling.
Yeah.
Thanks for asking. Now I will discuss about traveling. Oh well, there are many reasons of traveling. At first, people, first of all, people for refreshing their mind, people travels. Secondly, for business work, and thirdly, everyone loves to travel. And finally, for refreshing their stress and for visiting the world, and that's all.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much.